Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. What I'm going to do today in this video, last time you guys saw me clean up my microwave using vinegar and water. And now I'm going to show you how to clean it with, for those who don't know, you could clean it with lemon and water too. My mom used to do it both ways. What she would do is she would take one lemon or two, just put it in the bowl, and pop it into the microwave. Okay, let me just go over to the microwave here. Yeah, as you guys can tell, it's getting really disgusting again. So I don't mean to gross any of you out, but that's the way it is with microwaves. Alright. Yeah, as you guys can tell, I have a bowl, almost about a bowl full of water, and 2 lemons in there. Alright. Put it on for 5 minutes. Here, turn off the light. And this should really clean the microwave. And of course, it will make it smell pretty good. And of course, afterwards, you're going to need two rags to wipe off the microwave. I'm really happy that my mom had taught me how to clean the microwave both ways, by using both vinegar and, of course, with lemons. And putting the microwave on high for 5 minutes. And I apologize for the background noise to my dishwasher. And of course, my grandmother used to clean her microwave like this too. And if you guys have any comments or any ideas how you guys clean your microwave, please let me know in the comments below. Or just let me know your tips. That's what I meant to say. Sorry about that. And I do apologize how my microwave looks, but I just wanted to show you guys how to clean it using water and lemons. Alright. Yeah, that's the way it should look. But if you think it should go a little bit more, I think it should go a little bit more. On another 5 minutes. Alright guys, I'm gonna turn off the camera, and then once the microwave's done, then I'll show you how to wipe it, or how I wipe it, okay? Alright, see you in part 2. Bye for now, guys.